Hi, I'm Shahid Khan. Welcome to Yoga Simplified. Today I'll be explaining Paschima Namaskarasana. A few days ago I made a video about Paschima Namaskarasana with Parshvottanasana. Today I'll be explaining how to do Paschima Namaskarasana. Namaskarasana is this: when you join your palms together. Paschima Namaskarasana is when you join your palms together behind. So what is Paschima? East, west, north, south. There are four directions: east, west, north, south. These are the four directions of your body. East, west. West is Paschim. So, Paschima Namaskarasana, not Purab Namaskarasana. Purab, this is east. Paschim is west. So, we have cleared what is Paschim. Let's go into the posture. Paschima Namaskarasana works on many different layers of the body. First, the main one is shoulder opening. If your shoulders are closed, it's very hard to do it. Shoulder opening, chest opening, spinal correction, and posture. So you have these four aspects mainly you would be working in Paschima Namaskarasana. Now, to prepare for the pose, first stand in Tadasana. Take your arms back and hold your palms together. Roll your shoulders back. Pull your shoulders down. And then take a deep inhalation. Lift your arms. Try to lift your arms as much as you can without taking your hips back or hips forward. Maintain your Tadasana. So inhaling, exhaling. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now first, only work on your shoulder opening. The more your shoulders open, the posture, Paschima Namaskarasana, will get easier. Lifting, join your palms together. Now when you're joining your palms together, lock your thumbs. Because once you're doing it like this, the second time you're doing it like this, you're changing the overlapping of your thumbs. So join your palms and then turn your palms up. Try to take your palms up as high as you can. If you're here, 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 wherever you are, you need to always get better to take your palms higher up. Keep your palms open. Keep your buttocks firm. Start with taking your shoulders back, elbows back. Use your fingers to press your thoracic spine in. Because that position you again need it in shoulder stand, which I'll do a video later on sometime for Sarvangasana. Use your palms to press, use your fingers to press your spine in. And then join your palms together. Take the shoulders back, elbows back. and down. Start with 5 breaths. So you're holding it for 5 breaths. Work up to 10 breaths. Now, if you feel your wrists are hurting, your shoulders are not opening, or you're not working more with your shoulders. So again, feel your shoulders, take your shoulders and your elbows back. I'll show it from the side. This time, you're changing the lapping of your fingers. Don't forget it. Roll your shoulders back, pull your shoulders down. Lift your arms. Now again, maintain that body posture. So when you lift your arms, you should not, because you won't be opening your shoulders more. You're just pushing your hips forward, and that's an unhealthy movement. You will unstabilize your back. If unstabilize back is the right grammar, I don't know. But you will unstabilize your back. So hold your body firm. Only work with your arms and your shoulder joint. Inhaling. Exhaling. Deep breathing, because that inhalation will help you to open your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then join your palms. Remember, you need to change the overlap of your thumbs. And then work to take your fingers up. And then secure your body, secure your hips. Keep your upper buttocks firm. It's not so much the lower buttock you need to work on, because if you press that lower buttock, you're bound to push your hip forward. So work slightly more on your upper buttock. And then shoulders back, elbows back. Change the overlap of your thumbs. Use your fingers to open your chest. Start with 5 breaths. Work till 10 breaths. You need to build your practice successively. And down. Shoulder opening, chest opening, firm back, straight posture. I hope you got it. If you have any questions, drop them down, and remember, if you don't know it, I'll teach you. Thank you.